Right, so you see how this increasing error number here, this is basically just not detecting any power to the board, but it's basically just going to keep going forever until you put a board on there or until you press fail. If you press fail, then it reports it to fail. So all the tests are like that. So it's now ready to go again. I'm going to put the board back on. Okay, that passed everything, and that's basically how long it takes. Okay, now this is where the pogos are not contacting properly. This test is testing all the LED drivers and the motor driver output, so it's requiring a lot of the pogos to be good. Now, because it's wiggling around and not holding it very well, you're seeing some hearts, which are good tests, and some X's, which are bad tests, and you'll see that as I move it around, oh, and that's a communications error. But you see that none of these are fatal. What's happening is it's just showing you all the different problems it's getting while trying to exercise the LEDs and drivers. So, you know, everything from like nothing there to bad pogos or whatever. But the nice thing is that once you eventually do hold it down properly, it will pass. So it's basically pretty bulletproof. It'll just keep going on each test until you do it. So the idea is that when you get a board that actually is bad, then what will happen is that the operator will be used to how long it takes to hold it down, and they'll be like, no, not working, and they'll wiggle it around. They'll go, okay, not working. After like, 10 seconds or something, they'll be like, okay, screw this, and they'll push the fail button, and then they'll chuck it on the bad pile. But obviously you can experiment with this. And that's basically it. So it'll report these, but it won't report the intermediate failures, because obviously you'll pretty much have them all the time, as you'll see. So it's kind of how it goes. But it is very tolerant and very fast to use, as you see. Sweet. Okay, enjoy.